Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku without a credit card. Let's go. Is it possible to use Roku without a credit card? Yes, no. Use your PayPal account. Or use a virtual debit card. Oldubil is a service where you can get a virtual card for Roku. Install Oldubil app and create an account. Open My Wallet, choose your virtual card. View card info. Add the card to your Roku account. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku without credit card. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.